Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I am just doing a quick multiple mail call catch up. I mean, I've had some, bunch of stuff sent to me over the last several months. Not tons of stuff, but I mean enough, and I never get a chance to acknowledge anybody for it. I'm going to start this video by thanking New Prepper. He made me some molds very similar to this, but smaller. And for the life of me, I know they're in a safe place. But I couldn't find them to do this video, and I don't really have the time to get in my mold box and tear everything apart and looking for them. But they're very similar to this type, only they're like an inch by an inch. They're smaller ones. New Prepper, I want to apologize for not having those out here. In fact, I think they might even be out in the shop. I think I was going to try and pour one. So let me start with that one. The next one that came was I think this was my Christmas from Redneck Metals. It's a flask, which will come in handy. A nice little bag. So that was from Redneck Metals. I have this that came in from Redneck Stacker. I guess he had a friend that also does 3D printing, and he made these molds for us. So that's a BYS impression mold. The next one to come was from Scrapping, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun, and I know I've had this one. It is postmarked December 19th. I am so sorry, guys. Like I said, it's just been, wild around here. And trying to keep up with anything has been a chore. It says, Merry Christmas. Backyard Scrapping, wishing you all the best holiday season, your friend Scrapping. And I am so sorry again. I apologize. He's got a cool little Christmas sticker here. I'm way late. Beautiful card. And I am so sorry again, guys, that I haven't gotten to these. But it's just like I said, it was very hectic the past 5-6 months. This one, believe it or not, recently just came in. This one is from Lake House Beach. I have no idea what it is. See if we can get it open. Whoa! See, that's why I can't find stuff. I just throw it all over the place. No, just kidding. Let's see. I think he does this just because I do this. It's a competition to see who can wrap the packages the best. Okay, hopefully I didn't cut anything up in there. It says open last. So, he's got stuff to open first. Okay, so that's that. Open first. So let's see what he has. A gift for you, Lake House Beach. And he's got it all taped up. This is just an ongoing thing him and I have been doing for probably a couple years now. Tape, 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 tape. Okay, open first. And it looks like a little bar. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool, brother. It says 12 grams. Has his little logo there, and it says 999 fine silver, a hammer bar. That is awesome, brother. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. So that was the open first. That is really something. Thank you, my friend. And I will get up with you. We haven't talked in a while. And open last. So let's see what we got here. There's a sticker, Lake House Beach, hand poured art, certificate of authenticity. That is cool. 125.21. He mailed it the day after his Dino. Hey brother, surprise! I thought I would swing by and say hello. I made a little gift I would like you to have. I hope you like it. I absolutely do. It's beautiful, brother. I miss you guys and the YouTube community. I will be back. I promise you that. Until then, take care, my friend. Thanks for everything. Your little bro, Lake House Beach. Well, we'll be looking for you to come back. We miss you. We miss you too. So that is awesome. Guys, like I said, I apologize to all of you for not getting this out and not doing them when they came in. You know, most of you know what my situation was. But again, I do apologize. New prepper, I have those if I come, or when I pour something, or when I, not if I come across them, when I come across them, I will make a couple bars with those too, but they're very similar. They're just smaller. They're actually, I think he did a BYS invert and then a BYS convex or concave, whatever the words are. But he did a couple of them. So, guys, I appreciate it. Again, I'm sorry for the late mail call, and everybody take care. I'm working on part 7 right now of our refine. I will get that video out ASAP. So we'll see you guys in the next video.